Take down the question. Find 5 upon 63 minus into minus 6 upon 21. Right? So write down 5 upon 63 minus into minus, you will get plus 6 upon 21. So we should get the same denominator, right? So we have to multiply this with which number? I will multiply this with 1 and I will multiply this with 3. It will be better. 5 ones are 5, 63 plus 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 16. To make the denominator same, I have multiplied this with 3, both numerator and denominator. Okay. So now you can write down 18 plus 5 will be how much? 23 upon 63. So let us do the second one now. We have to find this value. So write down minus 6 upon 13, minus into minus plus 7 upon 15 it is, right? So let us multiply the denominator. 15 multiplied by 13, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So 195 is the denominator. We have to cross multiply. So 15 6 are what you will get? 5 6 are 30, 6 1 6 7 8 9, 90. So here I will get minus 90 plus 13 7s are 21 and 7 1 7 8 9, 91. And here I will get 195. So my answer will be, subtract this, I will get 1 upon 195. Now let us do the third part of it. One more is there, right? So that one also I will do now only. Now this is given in mixed fraction form. 3 is to 1 upon 8 minus into minus 1 is to 5 upon 6. Okay. Now this is in the form of a quotient remainder upon divisor, where quotient you multiply with divisor plus remainder upon divisor. Means what you will have to do, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 8, minus into minus it will be plus 6 1 6, here it will be 11 upon 6. Now denominator are different, right? So 8 6 are what will be your answer? 48. We have to take the LCM of this. We have to take the LCM of 8 and 6. So 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, okay, then 2 1s are, then 3 1s are later on. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 8s are 24. So your LCM will be equal to 24. Now here 8 is there, so you have to multiply this with 3 and this you have to multiply with 4. Now here you will get 24 down, plus here also you will get 24, but here it is 44. 11 4s are 44, 25 3s are, multiply and see, 3 5s are 15, 3 2 6 75. Add these numbers, how much you will get? 75 plus 44, 70, 80 90 110, 109 upon 24. Suppose if you want to write this in mixed fraction form, you all can divide and see, okay? 109 24. So here 24 2s are 48. Sorry, 4s are, I have to check, right? 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9 10. So here I will get 2. So remainder will be quotient. This is your quotient, so it will be 4. Here I will get 23 and divisor is this, so upon 24. I hope you have understood how to do this, but still if you have any doubts, okay, any queries related to this, you can comment below in the comment section. Okay,